not everyone understands the difference between co-packaging and co-manufacturing. We hear these terms a lot. We have a lot of our audience that's in the manufacturing space, but talk to us about the difference between the two, and anything else you want to add.
Yeah, so you're right. It's not a household term, contract packaging or contract manufacturing, certainly. But what I would say as consumers, you and I, all of us who are listening on this podcast here, we're all consumers, and we consume products in our households. So we do know household brand names like Procter and Gamble when it comes to cleaning, or General Mills when it comes to like cereal, or Colgate for hygiene products and so forth. So we know all these brands, and what these brands do is a lot of the branding of these products is what they're very, very good at. What they also do is contract a lot of the manufacturing, packaging, and distribution of the products though. So other entities, these contract manufacturers and packagers, are making, packaging, and distributing products on their behalf, on their brand's behalf. So to differentiate and to describe the difference between co-packers and contract manufacturers is that they're third parties, first of all, that are making these products. But contract manufacturers are typically third-party product organizations that are making product. People sometimes call it like naked product. They're blending, mixing, maybe filling these products themselves that you might be consuming. But at the same time, a contract packager is typically often referred to as like the secondary packager. They're taking that product that already has been sort of made that you might consume or you might use, but putting into secondary packaging which typically contributes to the personalization or the customization of that product. And you might see that in different retail channels. You might see Tide in one format, but in a different format for another retail chain, whether it be Walmart or Costco. So the secondary packagers very much focus on that customization and personalization for that retail and the consumer channel. And the contract manufacturer typically making that product and converting the actual commodities into that good that you and I would consume.
Hi, everyone. If you enjoy the content, please make sure to share with friends, smash the like button, and subscribe.